What is going on, everybody? DJ Mines here, and in today's video I actually hit a block solo mining FIRO in just over 4 hours. Now, if you're wondering what is a block like this worth, here's the block that we hit at about 4 a.m. I started this around 11:30 midnight, something in that range. So yeah, a little over 4 hours, give or take 4 hours. It was 6.15 FIRO, and that's worth about $46, give or take a penny or two. We'll dive in more into the data and I'll show you the rig that I've been using, but I want to start by saying, guys, just because I got extremely lucky, and I don't even think I got extremely lucky, I got like 1 in a million times lucky compared to probably what you're going to get, doesn't mean that you're going to do that. I do not suggest you come over to FIRO. I do not suggest that you switch it. Just keep doing what you're doing, man. This is something that I'm throwing one rig at just for fun, right? I have 2.2 gigahash. I don't know how many rigs it is. It's a whole bunch. But I just decided to throw one of them at it because Red Panda made a video on Raven. So now everybody got off FIRO, and hopefully people don't come to FIRO because of this video. Sorry, Red Fox, if that happened. Now that everybody hype beast into Raven coin solo, I feel like FIRO right now is really good. And so my expectations were none. I was like, it'll probably take me a week or two to get a block. I did not think that in around 4 hours I would hit a block. And just to put this into perspective, $46 for this 3060 Ti rig. Let's look into what we were getting before. So here's the rig that I used. It was just one of them. Like I said, it was 7 3060 Ti's. 4 of them are Zotac. This one is so busted on every algorithm, man. Something's wrong with this one. But the rest of the Zotacs are pretty good. 1 MSI, 1 EVGA for the Win 3, and a Gigabyte. The Gigabyte is always the best that I have. And if you look in this top right corner, it was getting around 290 mega hash on Ethereum. I can push it to 300, but I was having some issues having all these different 3060 Ti brands mixed together. Here's the overclocks I was using for FIRO. Please do not copy these, man. They are not the best. I am still trying to tweak it. There's a lot to learn. I don't know much about FIRO, so please don't copy these. Heading on over to what to mine. I was getting, like I said, 290 mega hash. If we hit calculate right here, comes to around $21.52 before electric on Ethereum per day. $21.52 times 2 is $43 for 2 days. That's 48 hours of mining Ethereum, and I got $46 in just 4 hours, give or take. It's really crazy to think about. In just a few hours you can do more than 48 hours of work, right? And I know that's crazy, but the cool thing about solo mining, this is my first time ever, by the way, not even just on FIRO, just trying solo mining in general, is you hit the block, you keep the block, right? But it's also kind of like gambling, because if you don't hit the block, you don't get paid at all, right? So I do not suggest that you deviate from your strategy, man. If you're pure Ethereum, please stay pure Ethereum. If you're whatever into Ravencoin, just stay Ravencoin. Stay the course. Whatever you're doing, do that. Don't copy this. This is for YouTube experiment. This is for fun, right? I don't mind throwing one of my rigs, but I do not suggest you just pull off your stuff in the network and throw it on to random stuff, solo mining and stuff, man. Do your thing, get that guaranteed money, and just stay on course with what you're doing. So if we look here, when I went to bed, whatever time this is, I don't know, like I said, around the midnight time, it was good. It was stable for like an hour or two, and it just crashed and then crashed, and Watchdog would keep waking it up. It crashed. I woke up in the middle of the night again here, and it just crashed and crashed and crashed. And I think this morning when I really woke up again around 9 a.m. now, I'm kind of, I got it stable again. I had to cut down the overclocks a little bit. So really this whole portion here where you can see it was down, man. I had so many errors. I had like 15, 20 resets, and it was just crashing the whole time. So who knows how much I could have actually made. Maybe I could have hit another block in that time, but it was just constantly going up and down and up and down. Like I said, I'm not familiar with FIRO. The overclocks are weird. If you have some really stable ones, specifically for Zotac or MSI, EVGA Win, EVGA for the Win 3 or Gigabyte, please share them in the comment section below or in my Discord. This has been running a little over an hour, so far these are good. The only problem is they're not really that profitable. Again, that really depends on, is it Hynix or Samsung? I could really use some Hynix memory stuff. If you have any of those 3060 Ti overclocks, that'd be great. The Samsung's really easy here. It's almost at 29. I can get this to 31, but like I said, we were just getting so many crashes throughout the night, and I didn't want to deal with it. So today I do plan on tweaking that more, and this is a really exciting project. One thing to note about FIRO mining so far, it's a lot more watts, right? So usually I'd have these 3060 Ti's at about 130 watts, maybe 125 watts, and now we're at 150 watts. And I honestly think it's worth the sacrifice. So let's do something that I think is really important. Let's go back to what to mine. 7 GPUs, 3060 Ti's, and let's look at Ethereum and FIRO and see what it thinks that we should be making. So if you're mining this straight up, right, you're not solo mining, I do not suggest it at all unless you just really believe in this coin. You think it's the greatest thing ever. Hey, that's on you, man. But Ethereum, like I said, right now it's $21.83. So it fluctuates, right? But you can see FIRO, if you look at this number, number. It's just shy of $16. So straight up mining FIRO, probably not worth it. Maybe it is for you. To me, it's not, right? That's a huge difference, especially even on your LHR cards. But the solo mining, again, is where you're really saying, okay, I'm going all in. I want to take a gamble here. I think it's worth it to try it out. And that's what we did, man. We went to Las Vegas, essentially. We rolled the dice, man. We threw the dice and we hit 7, baby. We hit 7. We got paid big time and it feels good, man. So right now I have one of two options. I could take the house's money. I could take this huge profit and I could walk away from the table, or I could double down. And guess what? Daddy's going to double down. We're going to solo mine for at least, I don't know, another 24 or 48 hours a week. I don't know. We'll try it out. Let's see how long it takes us to get the next block. Again, guys, I make this video for entertainment, just for experimental things. I'm not going to put my whole farm on this. This isn't something you should mimic or copy, but I do hope that you watch this video and you get some kind of entertainment value out of it. At the making of this video, we're at 2,140 subscribers, and I really appreciate every single one of you, man. It feels like we just hit 2K the other day. If you haven't already, please like this video, join the Discord, man. We're starting to get a lot of people talking. We need more people talking on a constant basis, so please fill in, man. Join the team, man. I check it as much as I can, but you know, make friends and let's get this Discord more active than it is. If you want to see a follow-up video, let me know on this. If this is interesting video for you, you want to keep seeing Ethereum and Raptorium and Helium. I'll catch you guys in the next video. DJ Minds signing out.